Hey, what's good, boys? It's T Coochie. Today I got y'all boys with the M16 conversion kit little vid. And when I tell you this thing memes, I mean this thing memes, bro. And it's also my fault. I haven't been getting like gameplays out and stuff, but like these stackers been going crazy. Like I leveled up 100 times trying to get certain gameplays. It still didn't go too good, but it's all good. But anyways, let me stop yapping. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Peace. Dude, somebody just not getting my dude. Damn. Never mind, I can't.
Enemies dropping into the AO. You're losing ground. Move it.
I'm down.
Hunt down the rest of them.
Requesting recon flyover.
That was actually a head. I thought that was just a random, like, bug or something. Eduardo, what's good, bro? Put on.
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Hostiles deploy the mosquito. Loadout drop headed your way. Enemy soldier incoming.
Man, dude, I'm not having a good time.
Safety.
I'm shitting on these kids right now. Holy.
Only 25 remain. Down. Marking the rest of them.
Smack.
Stand by for redeployment.
Need recon overhead.
Put on.
Gas is inbound. Hostile mosquito is on.
There's no way I lose that. There's no way in hell I lose that.
Get ready. You're redeploying. deploy the mosquito.
Two or one of y'all, I just want to know.
Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Between us, okay.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Go get hunting.
Don't tweak.
Fire sale active. Buy station prices have been reduced.
Bro. I'm about like hella UAVs.
Friendly loadout
Requesting
drops
recon
on the way.
flyover.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
Good loot here. Moving to my mark.
Puta madre, güey.
Puta madre, wey.
Moving.
Hijo de puta. Y'all are so ass, bro. Those kids were, I don't know about y'all, man.
Fire sale's over. Adjusting prices.
Somebody with us?
Confirmed, and we located the rest of them.
Lucky. A real man will come down them ladders.
Resurgence has closed. No more second chances.
A real man will fight me with his bare fists.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Oh, behind us.
The enemy is no longer tracking you. You lost him.
Is that what?
Need recon
Bigfoot?
overhead.
Oh, not Bigfoot. Sorry.
Oh, top window, top left window. I'm dead.
Gas moving in.
Damn, it's just unfortunate.
UAV is being refueled. RTB at this time.
Goodbye, back.
Requesting recon flyover.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh my god, bro, I died again.
Appreciate you. Appreciate you.
Enemy UAV overhead. Be advised, UAV is exiting the AO.
What the fuck?
No way, I died like this? Okay.
Safety.
I was about to lose my fucking mind, bro. I was genuinely about to have a heart attack about me at that way. Where they at, bro? You know? Your aim is terrible. I don't really know that right now. You hurt yourself with the cluster mine? What do you gotta do yourself with the cluster mine?
Remaining. You're losing ground. Move it. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
¿Qué chingados? Güey, llega un pendejo. Eso, güey. Ah, güey. Rápido, rápido.
Rápido, rápido!
Ok, ok.
Go get him, go get him, go get him. Rápido, rápido, you got it.
No, la madre, güey. Hay uno.
Am I playing solos or quads? I forget, man.
Finish your mission. Take them down.
Oh, you were up there, dude. He was up there, bro. Hey,
The enemy took that one, but we'll get them back.
that's a gameplay, bro. I don't care. Chat. The F4 is good as fuck. I had 22. Look at my damage, chat. Look at my damage, chat. 10,000 damage, only 22 kills. That's how you know this lobby is ready as fuck, bro. Hey, GG's though.
Baby, what you wishing for?